Hello friends, welcome to our channel Career Arts. This is Shyam. So today we are going to discuss almost 12 notifications from pharma companies from various companies and in various locations. So that is Dr. Reddy's Laboratories. So location is working location is in Hyderabad and also other places like Paidi Bhimaram, Andhra Pradesh. And from Sai Life Sciences, so the location is in Bidar. And from the Alivera Health Limited, so the location is in Vizag. And Arabindo from Vijayanagaram, Heto Labs from Hyderabad and Vizag, Maitri Drugs Limited from Hyderabad, and Alembic from Hyderabad. So Selmar Labs from Jinnaram and Areen Life Sciences, and also so in Mankind Pharma in Himachal Pradesh, and Sun Pharma from Chennai, and Cipla, and also Ajanta Pharma from Assam. So today we are going to discuss all these companies notifications in these areas. Okay friends, so let's get started. And so if you are first time visiting our channel, so do subscribe our channel, because so we regularly update latest job updates regularly, and also so do like our video. Okay friends, so let's get started. So the first notification is from Dr. Reddy's Laboratories. So they are conducting walk-in interviews on 27th and 28th February. So for production specialist in biologics department. Okay, the post name is production specialist. So you can see the qualification. They should have BTech or MTech or MSc. The experience should be 2 to 7 years, and the location is in Hyderabad. The salary is around 3 lakhs to 8 lakh. Depends on your experience. So total openings are 10. So you can contact Naresh Kumar Gunda to him, and also you can forward your resume to this email address. So you can see here the job description and production operations, compliance documentation issues, so equipment validation, safety and facility inspection. So attach updated resume, and also mention so your recent total annual CTC, expected CTC, notice period, so everything. Okay, the venue and time is so 27th and 28th February. So these interviews are for Mumbai location, Pune location, and Hyderabad Bachupalli campus also. Okay, so let us proceed another notification. This is also from same Reddy's Laboratories. They are also recruiting team members in the plant maintenance department. So many of our subscribers, they are asking for the mechanical department vacancy. So this notification is for them exclusively. So the job description you can see here, and department is GMO. So total there are only 5 positions are there. So the skills required you can see here, and the role is so mandatory skills: experience of plant utility, reactor, vacuum pump, so dryers and pumps, maintenance exposure. Okay, the experience, they should have minimum of 3 to 5 years experience. So the candidates who are having BTech mechanical, the location is in so Pedadevulapalli or Miryalagoda. So all the mechanical BTech finished candidates, so they can apply if they have experience of 3 to 5 years. If they decide to work in Telangana location, the salary is depends on your experience. So 3 lakhs to 7 lakhs. Okay, I will give this link in description. You can click and apply. And also so there is another position, so that is for team member process engineering. So you can see, so there are only 5 positions are there. So in the department of GMO, so they have to work in troubleshooting skills, investigation skills, etc. The role is to prepare investigation pertaining to market complaints, OOS, OOT incidents. The location is in Paidi Bhimaram, which is in Andhra Pradesh. So the education qualification, they should have finished their BTech. And but the candidate should have minimum 3 to 8 years experience. The salary is around 3 lakhs to 7 lakhs, depends on their experience. So I will give this link in description. You can click and apply. Okay, let us go to another notification. This is from Sai Life Sciences. So they are conducting walk-in interviews for executives or senior executives in quality control, which the location is in Bidar. So the candidate should have minimum 2 to 6 years experience. The education qualification is MSc Organic or Analytical Chemistry. So the date of interview is on 27th February. The interview starts on 9 a.m. So the venue is SLN Terminus, survey number 133, Gachibowli. So Miapur Road, Gachibowli. Okay friends, so let us go to another notification. This is from Alivera Animal Health Limited, API. So they are conducting walk-in interviews on 23rd and 24th February of 2021. So special walk-in drive for QC positions. Okay, so they are looking for officer to assistant manager with 1 to 7 years experience in wet lab, raw material handling, HPLC, gas chromatography and instrumentation experience. So the address is, you have to attend it, Alivira Animal Health Limited, so JNPC Ramki says, near to Lankalapalam Junction, Parvada Mandal, Visakhapatnam. So for any other assistance, you can contact him, and also update your resume and forward to this email address. You can also contact him on WhatsApp also. Okay friends, so this is the official website address you can see here. And this notification is from Aurobindo Labs, and they are taking for the positions of executives to assistant managers, the qualification should have a BTech in chemical engineer. Okay, the candidate should have minimum 4 to 7 years experience, and if you are selected, the work location is in Vijayanagaram. Okay friends, so this is in the technical service department. So you can see here the job description. So here also they have mentioned a note, pharma experience is mandate. Okay friends, so only experienced persons are eligible to apply for these posts. So you can share your resume to, so this email address, pawan.veturi@aurobindo.com. Okay friends, so let's go to another notification. This is from Hetero Labs Limited. Friends, they are conducting interviews in Rajahmundry, so in Vikas Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences. So any interested candidates are eligible candidates, they can attend the interview, so the location is in near airport. So it is in Nadigatla Road, Rajahmundry, Andhra Pradesh. So you can see here their phone numbers. You can also contact them before you go. See, the positions are in QC or QA department. The qualifications they should have in production department and also in technical services. So they are taking the candidates of which are qualifying BSc chemistry, others BCom, BA also, and also here MSc chemistry and B Pharmacy. Here in technical services they are taking BTech chemical candidates. So the eligibility should be the candidates who have passed their qualification from 2015 to 2020. So they are all eligible to attend these interviews. But after selection, the work location is depends on your location. So they will transfer you, or they will allot you in Hyderabad or Visakhapatnam. The technical services is exclusive in Visakhapatnam, you can see here. Okay friends, so all the candidates who are unable to attend the interview, so they can also send their resume to this email address. Okay friends, so let us go to another notification. This is from Maitri Trucks Private Limited. So in API Division AR&D department, they are taking some executive positions. The candidates who have finished their MSc chemistry and having experience of 1 to 4 years, so you can attend the interview at this location. Before that, you should forward your resume to careers@mytreetrucks.com. So they will call you, so take call back from them. So and this notification is from Alembic Pharmaceuticals Limited. So the designation is AM, DM or DQA in API division. So the education qualification should be MSc, MPharm or BPharm, but the candidate should have a minimum experience of 8 to 12 years. The location is in R&D Lab, Hyderabad. So you can see here the desired profile they have mentioned in the notification. If you fit in the above criteria and we are looking for career opportunity, kindly send your CV on. So this email address you can see here. Okay, let us go to another notification. This is from Selmars Laboratories Limited. So they are taking some positions in Department of Production, Engineering and Quality Assurance for the qualifications of BSc, BCom, ITI, Diploma Electrical and also BSc, MSc. The candidates, they should have minimum experience of 1 to 6 years, you can see. So according to the department, so they are taking the designation should be senior chemist executives, senior officers, technicians, you can see here. So only male candidates are eligible to apply. So you can observe this note. So interested candidates can attend walk-in interviews on 23rd February, where Selmar Lab Private Limited, survey number 10 IDA. So this is in Gaddapotaram near Mailan, Unit 2, Jinnaram, Sangareddy district. Okay friends, so let us go to another notification. If you are eligible, then you can apply. So this is from Erin Life Sciences Limited. So they are hiring for some available positions that are HR executive position. So they should have experience of 4 to 6 years, and EHS safety senior executive assistant manager positions. So they should have 6 to 8 years experience, and maintenance department they should have 6 to 8 years experience. So any candidates who have finished here you can see this MBA finished candidates are also eligible if they have enough experience as mentioned here. Okay, interested candidates may share their resume to this email address. So let us go to another notification. So they're willing to say near to plant, that is Sangareddy, Hyderabad. You can see here the work location. The notification is from Mankind Life Sciences, Mankind Pharma. So they are taking some positions in various departments. And interview date is on 28th February. So walk-in interviews at Hotel KC Crossroad, which is Budhanpur, Panchkula in Himachal Pradesh. You can contact this person and also contact number here. So you can also visit, or you can also forward your resume to this email address. Okay friends, you can see here the designations are valid in the validation department, QMS department, IPQA department with the key responsibilities they have mentioned here, and they should have minimum qualification, so as mentioned here, and also they should have experience as mentioned here. So in quality control also, analyst quality control, they are taking officers and senior officers. They should have minimum 2 to 5 years experience. Total 10 positions are there. So any suitable candidates, they can apply to this post also. Okay, in microbiology officers also, they are taking, they should have MSc microbiology with 2 to 5 years experience. Okay friends, so let us go to another notification. This is from Sun Pharma Limited. So they are taking some positions in Madurangatam plant, which is near Chennai and Tamil Nadu. So they are taking officers and junior officers. The candidates should have minimum 1 to 4 years experience, who have finished their BSc, MSc diploma in chemical engineering or BE chemical, they can apply. And utility operators, so the candidates should have minimum 1 to 4 years. You can see the eligibility criteria. And also ETP operators, they should have minimum 1 to 4 years experience. So you can see here the eligibility criteria. Okay, any interested candidates, they can mail their resume to this email address. You can see the details. Let us go to another notification. This is from Cipla. So they are hiring some vacancies across all the therapies in India. So the key credentials are here. The therapy managers, graduate science or general, B Pharma, D Pharma, MBA. You can see. So these candidates are also eligible to apply, but they should have minimum 6 months experience in sales. So they are taking sales managers, sales therapy managers. The age should be less than 29 years. So any eligible candidates, they can forward their resume to these email addresses. Okay friends, so if you are willing to work in Cipla in anywhere pan India, so that you can apply for these posts if you have the educational qualification as mentioned here. And another notification is from Ajanta Pharma Limited, so which is in Assam. So the candidates who have worked or who are around the Guwahati, Assam area, so they can go for this notification. So they should conduct a video conference interview. So the vacancies are mentioned here. So the experience and section and qualifications, you can see in production associates, the candidate should have minimum 5 to 8 years experience, and production officer, they should have 3 to 4 years experience. So you can see the section and also the qualification here. In production associate, they should have intermediate and ITA and diploma. In production officer, so they should have B Pharma and M Pharma. So candidates should possess good stability in regulatory plan, they have mentioned here. So any eligible or interested candidate, they can forward their resume to this email address. Okay friends, these are all total pharma notifications for today. So let us meet in another notification in another video. Thank you for watching Career Alerts. Jai Hind.